The following message is the request of the CDC. The unknown virus is spreading across Canada. All residents of Canada are advised to wear a mask at this time, and the CDC will find more information about this virus. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is the request of the CDC. The virus was discovered by 4 hours ago has worsened. This virus has confirmed to be deadly. And we have the name for the virus. Toxic virus. It's a weird name for a virus. But that was the name is for the virus. This virus is still spreading across Canada. All residents in Canada are ordered to follow these instructions. Make sure when you go in public wear a mask at all times, and social distance people that are near you. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is the request of the CDC. The virus, now toxic virus, is spreading now in Tennessee. All residents of Tennessee are to stay indoors, and Tennessee is now in quarantine at this time, and reports came in about hospitals have patients and they are having violent behaviors, so hospitals are now having a hard time focusing on the patients. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is the request of the CDC. Toxic virus has spread in Tennessee. It's confirmed that the CDC will find a cure to this virus, but you guys have to get ready. Because reports came in about people who had caught the virus had came back to life as a zombie. Over 2,000 people had turned into zombies. This is already tuning into a dangerous situation. If this escalates, then we would have to have a national alert. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.